channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with you discussing about the DBMS class, and that is being important as well. In terms of DBMS, yes, we have to cover up your the 65th classes here. That has been the important one as well. We had done your 64th classes in the last classes where we had completed. Lastly, we had completed your online diagram for the online donation that we had done, and that has been the important one as well. After that, we had done many more ER diagrams that what we had discussed here. And in today's class we will start discussing about the online shipping process of orders की online की shipping process या जो हम order करते हैं उसकी shipping process क्या होती है और किस तरह से किया जाएगा अगर आप अपना कोई organization ऐसा है आपका जहाँ पे आपको shipment की ज़रूरत है और आप online orders करते हो. So for the same you can just write it down from the ER diagram from here itself. And before that, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. In terms of online shipment process of orders here, that what we have to discuss here, and that is being the important one as well. In terms of it, we'll talk about it. That is being we'll talk about here the shipment here, the first that we have to discuss. And in terms of shipment, that is being the shipment, the requirement we have is the shipment ID, then your sending time, कब send किया गया वो shipment, आपका delivery time क्या है, and that what you have to require of in terms of shipment, that you have to this been necessary to know about it. Shipment ID, the sending time, the delivery time here. In the shipment, this has been connected to I say that has been is your delivery, and of course the port here for the delivery. It has been your the driver's ID, the driver's name, driver's number, and that is being representing here. In terms of post here, that is mean the port here, that is being the cost, and of course the cost of that, and the postal ID as well कि कहाँ से post किया गया है क्या cost पड़ेगी. For the shipment, it has been connected here for the ships, of course, because this has been the process here that has been a reference towards the shipping process. So for that, it been connected to the ships here as well, and that has been important too. In terms of ships, we'll go ahead here that we have to discuss, which has been the ships being connected to the orders here, and that order, for that you have to know about the order ID, you have to know the situation as well in that, and the cost, and that the shipping that range as well, and the distance, that the address we have, and then of course the payment method and the size, that or the orders size as well, that you have to know about it. In terms of order, that order has been connected to that has been has only, and that has been connected to the cart here. In terms of cart, we talk about it. The cart, you have to know about the cart ID itself, and for has, that has been the quantity and the total price. So आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्या quantity है and क्या total आपका price है उसका. Then that has been connected here, has been connected to the select as well, and this has been to connect a select here, but before that we will talk about the here users as well. So in the same case for the users, that users being connected to the user ID, then we have your email, the credentials, address, date of birth, name may be first name and the last name, the password, the cell number and the phone number as well. This is all the related information that we have to know about the users here. This has been connected to reference, and that has been connected to the order as well, that has been connected to the places, and that has been connected to the user as well. User can select the product, of course, what they pay for. So in terms of product, that you have to know the name of the product, you have to know the price of the product ID, the quantity of the product as well. And after that, user is being this select has been connected, that the product once the select has been to, you have to comment ID as well, you have to comment, so you have to require of the comment ID, and of course that is the rating as well, that what how much you had liked the product, or what were the services that we are providing is good for you or not, or how much it is good for you, so that what we have to rate it out. So on the same cases, on the same phase, we can talk about it, which is all about in terms of it, and that has been the important here. And in the same cases we have to know about the user here. So what was the requirement of the users is the user ID, your password, the cell number, the phone number, email, the name, date of birth, and the credit card as well. In terms of address user, we have to require of the ID and the address in the product, that is being the product ID, product name, price, and quantity. User product cart is the ID, the product ID, the cart ID, the quantity, and the total price. For the cart, of course it is your cart ID only. Now for the next we talk about that is remaining, we have to go ahead is as follows, and that is being for the order, that is being for the order ID, the situation, the cost, and the shipping range, the address, the payment method, and the size as well. After that, for the shipment, we have to know the shipment ID, the sending time, and the delivery time. For the delivery shipment, it has been the driver ID, shipment ID, driver name, and of course that has been the driver number. And of course the port shipment, that is we have your shipment ID, postal ID, and the cost as well, that what we have to know about it, and that has been the important as well. So here we'll be ending it up, and before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, if I'm talking about the online shipment process and orders here, what we are dealing with online shipment process of orders, we have to talk about it. So in terms of this, we are talking about here in the DBMS, and other than that, we had done many of the ER diagrams here in the last classes. You can go ahead for the same, you will find out each and every ER diagram from there as well. And other than that, we had done your sociology and software engineering, and we had done your chemistry for class 12, that is of part 1, and we had done there, and that has been we had done in that, we had done your which is unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 6, Unit 7, Unit 8, Unit 9 we had done, and that is your atomic numbers, symbols, and elements, as well as molar masses as well, that we had done. After talking about that, we had done yours, of course, your that has been we had done your the quantitative aptitude we are dealing with, where we had completed in arithmetical ability we had started with, where we had completed operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots, and cube roots, and then we had done your terms on numbers, terms on ages, odds and indices we had done, percentage we had started with. In terms of that, other than that, we are dealing with the understanding the human being comprehensively, the human adaptations, and the fulfillment. After that, we had done your we are dealing with the quantitative aptitude, where we had done your reasoning, in that we had done your verbal reasoning, which is general mental ability, and the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we had done your series and logic classification, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, photo folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dies, and we are dealing with that as well. In DBMS, we had done many of the ER diagrams and online shipment process of orders as well. Before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. And thanks for all the viewers, those who had supported us, those who had subscribed our channel, those who had visited our channel, and those who had share our channel videos. प्लीज़ इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट, बिकॉज जिस हिसाब से हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स उस हिसाब से हमारे व्यूज़ नहीं है. सो प्लीज़ इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के पास शेयर करें, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग ये वीडियो देखें और उसका यूटिलाइजेशन कर सके, चाहे वो आपके क्लासमेट हों, चाहे वो आपके चाहे आपके क्लासमेट्स हों, चाहे आपके कलीग्स जो भी हों, जो उसके रिक्वायरमेंट पे हैं, या आपके फ्रेंड्स हों. सो प्लीज़ यू कैन गो अहेड, एंड प्लीज़ go ahead with the sharing here. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. And whatever the requirements you have in terms of AR diagram, or in terms of any topic, any subject, you will just comment on, and I will just surely provide you that as well. So thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.